Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this really interesting handheld LED infrared therapy device. It's a 2-in-1, so it can be used everywhere, can be used in the face, ear, nose, even in your mouth, but we can also remove the tip and then we can use it everywhere. I've been using infrared light therapy for around 6 months and now I'm a big fan of it. I'm using it whenever I have some infection, inflammation, pain, and it has been working absolutely awesome. I had some shoulder pain for a very long time and now it's gone. Also, when I have some inflammation on the skin, let's say razor bumps or so, something in my mouth, I always use the red light therapy. It's very important to have a device which emits a wider range of infrared light, and this is exactly what we have here as well. Super safe, super versatile. And so here's what we get in the box. Comes also with some nice instructions manual, and here's the device itself with the charging cradle and the power supply. We can already use it like that without the tip when we want to treat like shoulder or anywhere pain or inflammation or infection. So we turn it on here on the P, and then we have the 3 different modes. It's nicely described here in the back. We have this pulsing, we have steady increase mode, and we have even a very convenient timer built in. It has minimum of 10 seconds, maximum of 90 seconds, 1.5 minutes. You can see it's counting down and it will then stop automatically when it's down to 0, but we can restart it at any time again with the same time, even after turning off and turning on again. It will start then with the same time. It will remember that, and so we have the option to increase the timer in 10-second steps up to 90 seconds, and then it will go back to 10 seconds. And when we are ready to use it, we press the P again, and you can see that's super strong. It's not like a weak infrared light, it's really a strong, intense light. So you can have a lot of benefits. So here you can use it for a shoulder or wherever you need that, on your hands or feet or wherever you want it. But when you want to treat some specific area, maybe like your ears, nose or your mouth, then we apply this tip here. It's very easy. We just slide it in here and then we remove this safety cap, and then we can use it easily, let's say in our mouth. And as you can see, it's very easy to use. And again, I've been using such device since about 6 months. I never had any issues, no side effects, no nothing, just very positive results. And this is one of the best devices which I've ever seen so far. Super easy, super flexible. We can just super easily charge it here on this stand. You don't have to waste some extra money on some batteries, and it's very solid build. This is as good as it gets. I had already a lot of such or similar device, but this is definitely the strongest which I've ever seen, the most sturdy build, most versatile. I mean, it's not the cheapest device, definitely not, but it has so many advantages, so many special functions. So if you want to spend a little bit of extra money and then have one of the best devices probably now on the market, then that's probably the thing to go. And if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.